Alright, so let's build our ultimate Viper. Ultimate my version. So let's do this. So I want this. Control C, Control V, Control V, hide it. No, wait a second. Control C, Control V. Let's blend it. Let's put it right there. Let's let's delete some stuff. Now I have a DPI button. Cool. That's there. It could be there or there. Doesn't really matter. It could be here. It's fine. Or there. It's fine. And then we want the little dot. We want that little dot. So Control C, Control V. There we go. Little dot. I don't want to put it. Maybe here. Here. Okay, let's put a little there, a little dot. Or just paint it in there. Little dot. Let's delete. Cool. There we go. And then have this logo like RGB. Like, you know, it can be red, green. And then we can make a Transformers theme. Not Transformers, Iron Man theme. So this will be red and gold.